This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You prepare the surface first because adhesion depends on it. Clean and dry thoroughly, then measure and mark alignment lines so placement is precise. Once done, unroll the sticker and let it relax for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce curl. This makes smoothing easier. Make sure you have a squeegee or credit card ready. Work from the center outward to avoid trapping air. You'll start applying at the marked center point, aligning edges with your 0.5 cm reference for a straight result. You begin by peeling 10 to 15 cm of backing and adhering the top center to your marked point, so alignment stays controlled. Then, use a squeegee with firm, overlapping strokes moving outward and downward. This expels air and ensures even contact. If a bubble appears, lift the closest edge slightly and reapply while smoothing. That's safer than pressing hard and stretching the vinyl. Make sure to check edges as you go because adhesion is strongest. You finish by trimming excess vinyl with a sharp blade at a shallow angle to avoid gouging paint. Then run the squeegee firmly around all edges to seal them. Once sealed, apply gentle heat, a hair dryer at low, to soften stubborn corners, making them more moldable without warping the design. If small bubbles persist, use a fine pin to puncture and press air out, then reseal. This quick troubleshooting keeps the sticker flat and long-lasting, preserving appearance and adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.